So today I'm going to be talking a little bit about some speculation as to what 2026 might look like for real estate investing, primarily multifamily investing, and just kind of how we should orient ourselves, what we should focus on, what we might see, what we might expect. I have a video I want to show you later on from Ken McElroy, who kind of gives his prediction for 2026. And I think it's pretty good. It's pretty high level, kind of more for larger operators. But I think there's a lot of good things in there, just principles wise, and that even apply to some of us who are maybe buying smaller properties, maybe fourplexes, eightplexes, things like that, get into our first investment. Things that to just warn us that, not to jump into anything too hastily and things like that. I think that 2026 could have a lot of good opportunities, especially in more larger urban areas. That's usually where the corrections and things happen quickest and are the most dramatic. So if you live in any areas like that, then definitely keep your eye out for some good deals. So what's likely going to happen, in my opinion, is that in 2022, 21, 22, people took out a lot of low interest rate debt, and they were banking on on cash flow increasing, so that in the 3 years when they needed to refinance, that they increased net income would be able to cover the increase in their loan, because the rates went way up from 21, 22 to now. They doubled, more than doubled even. So they're looking at a huge reset in their mortgage payment, especially on large properties, but even on small properties. And a lot of these owners are going to end up being forced to sell or put money in out of their pocket, because the lender is going to require it, or whoever the equity partner is. This is going to affect all kinds of things like syndications as well. So if people didn't buy properly and they bought at the top of the market with the low interest rates, but for a high price, they have these massive loans, they will feel a lot of pain in 2026, because rents are at best flat and falling in many cities.